A very good morning, class 8th. Today I am going to show you the demonstration related to the concept of ignition temperature. In this demonstration, what I am going to use, I have two balloons. One balloon is filled with water, you can just see, and the other balloon is without water. And I am going to, as soon as I am going to heat this balloon with this candle, it is going to be burst very easily. And when I am going to burn this water filled balloon, just note down the observation. Okay, so let's start. Firstly, because this balloon is not having any water, its ignition temperature is low, because of which it will catch fire very easily. Just watch it. As soon as it comes closer to the candle, it will burn easily. Just see. Okay. In this video, what I am going to show you that this balloon which is filled with water, as I am going to kept it over the candle, it is not burst. Whereas in the earlier case, the balloon which is not having water, it burst very easily. The reason behind is that the ignition temperature. In the earlier case, that balloon burst very easily because its ignition temperature was lower. But as it is filled with water, the water will become hot and also starts boiling inside this balloon, and the heat supplied to the is transferred to the water by the process of conduction. And doesn't reach, or this balloon is not reaching to its ignition temperature and doesn't burn. And when water is removed, you will see that in that case, or in that balloon, it is burst very easily. But in this case, it is not going to burst because the heat is transferred to the water and this balloon is not getting its ignition temperature. That's why it is not going to burst. Thank you and have a nice day.